So now let's see how we can apply the Posterize adjustment layer inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So here you can see that I have Adobe Photoshop Elements opened up and I am in the expert mode. So if I were to go around under layers right here and if I were to go around onto the adjustment layer options, then here you can see that Posterize is an option. So if I were to go around and then click on this, then what happens is that it posterizes out the picture that you see right here. So you can increase the level of posterization right here so that more colors are there. You can go around and decrease the level right here just like this so that it looks more like a poster. Right now there is 2 level as you can see right here, so there's only 4 colors. If you were to go to 8, then similarly there will be those amount of colors. So in 4 there's like more colors right here. In 30 there's more color, and you can go around and adjust out the level according to how you like right here. As you can see, you can go around over here and type in, let's say for example 3 as well, if just using the slider is hard for you. So that is how you can go around and then work around with the Posterize option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.